Hi friends, welcome Learn Code with Saurabh. Today I am going to show a program. This video, how to find the first longest word in a sentence using the Java 8 Stream API. So, for example, if we will take some input like my name is Saurabh Kumar and I work at Capgemini as a Java developer. So, each per simple input you can see here having the two longest word Capgemini and developer. So according to the question, we will get the output as a Capgemini because Capgemini is a first. If you count that length, so having that 9 character of that length of Capgemini, and also having the developer 9 character. If you count 3 and 6 and 3, 9. So here we will get output longest word Capgemini. Now I'm going to write the logic how we will get the result. So I just opened the IntelliJ and created a class here, and you can see here class name find first longest word and giving this question number. So this is the 47. So here I'm going to write the main method to execute. So I just created here main method, and now according to that input, so we need to create here list. Sorry, we need to create a string. So I just use here a string, and I will use here a string and a sentence equals. So I just created, and I will copy this value here. My name is Saurabh Kumar and I work uh, in Capgemini. So I will paste here, and yeah. So now we need to use Java 8 Stream API. So here we will create one more a string to store that result. So I will use here a string and longest longest string. So friend, here we need to create here we need to create a stream. So we have only the a string. So from the a string to convert like that a string. So if you see here in that pattern, so in this pattern you can see here that here having that blank space. Sure, I will use such a delimiter as a blank space. So here I will use like array dot stream, so it will convert like a stream, and you can see here that I will use a stream, and here we will pass here that a string. So in this stream we need to pass the array. So I will use here like a sentence dot a split method. So in this split method we need to pass the delimiter here or rejects. So I will use here a split, and inside a split we need to pass the delimiter here. So I will just use with that. So basically split method are split the all the word, so by all the word, and it will return the array for string. And here you can see here it will contain that array dot stream, so it will convert like that a stream. And then I will use here a stream dot max method, and in this max method we need to calculate the word. So I will use here the lambda expression. So I will count like word 1, and then here word 2, and then I will use here lambda expression, and then I will compare like integer dot compare. And in this compare method we need to pass that here length. So I will just comparing the word by using their length. So I will use here w1 dot length. Then I will use word 2 dot length, and then I will use here like if we not get the result, so that time we can set the default value. So I will use here or else, and in this else method we will pass like that blank. Yeah, now I'm going to just append here. So I just break into new line for the better understanding. So I will use here like stream dot max, and you can see here that max dot or else. And friend, now I'm going to just print the result. So I will use here like system dot out dot println here. So I will use here, and I will give like some message like the longest word, and giving that here longest word, sorry, longest string or word. So I just completed the program. Now I'm going to run this class. So friend, build has started, and got the result here developer dot. Because of that, if you see here, so in this sample input I just taken that dot, and I just removing the dot here. So now we will get the output like Capgemini, because Capgemini is the first. So here having the condition, when having that maximum length, that time it will return, but when having that similar word, like similar length of word, that time it will return the first word. So now I'm just going to run again. So I just clicking here run main method. So you can see the result here, longest word, and giving the Capgemini. And I just want to add here some logic to do the different way. So now I'm just going to delete here, and here we can use like a comparator method here by using the comparator. So I will just use here replace with here like a comparator dot comparing int. So here we have the comparator class, and comparator class are having that method comparing int, comparing double. So I have the int. So here because we will take the int because we are counting the length, and here in this length we are going to call the string method, length of the string method. So I will just use here a string, and using that expression here, a double colon or a reference method, sorry, reference operator, and now I'm going to do that length. So now I'm going to rerun this class. So friend, I got the similar result here Capgemini, and if you change like that developer one, so now we will get that output like developer one. Thank you friends, I will post the code in the git repository, and I will mention the link description of this video. And thank you for your support.